In this video, we'll be going over watchcount.com, which is by far one of the best ways to find hot products that are being sold right now. And you could say it's like an insight on eBay and what is getting sold and what is being watched on eBay. So basically, if it's getting sold on eBay, you could be certain that there's a huge market for that product. So let's go find ourselves some products. First of all, make sure it's US down here, not UK or any other country, because we will be targeting the US market. So first of all, let's go with Game of Thrones, which is one of my favorite niches, you could say, because of the huge demand for the products it has. Alright, so here you can see the first and second are DVDs, and we're not selling DVDs. We'll be selling necklaces, pendants, and things like that, jewelry basically. And you could look and see that it has 276 watchers right now, and it had 2,937 sales in the past. We'll be selling each product for $9.99. Supposedly, if you do the tripwire method that I'll show you. So let's say you get 2,937 sales roughly, and that's 2,000. How much was it again? 937 times 9.99. That's $29,340.63. That's huge. Imagine if you could get that number of sales. With the number of people that are interested in Game of Thrones, you'd be surprised the amounts of sales you can bring in if you target the proper audience, which I'll show you how to do in the bring traffic and marketing section basically. And that's one niche. Let's go over some other keywords. So another one is Despicable Me, which is the Despicable Me 3 is coming out in a few months, so it's gonna get really popular. And so if you wanna get in on that, I would highly recommend you use that opportunity. So Despicable Me, and you can see that the plush toy here has 519 watchers, 1,615 sales. Another plush. So you can see that the Despicable Me plush toys are really hot and they're getting tons of sales. All of them are getting sales, and even the t-shirts are getting sales. And if you want, you can even set up a Teespring, which I'll show in a different course how to do so. Teespring campaign. But for this course, we are focusing on products that we'll be selling on our site. So you can see this. What is this? A bed sheet, I suppose. Yeah, it's sort of a bed sheet. So it's being sold for $29 to $30, and it had 398 sales in the past. I'll show you how to get things like these for really cheap, and you can resell them on your site. And you can also search by most bids, no bids, ending soon, completed items, and you can even go into specific categories if you want to. Let's say jewelry and watches. So just to show you. All right, here you can see that Despicable Me inspired love locket, a living locket, which has 27 watchers and 29 sales in the past. And there are tons of items. Basically, just follow the niche list that I give you and search up some keywords. You'll find items that are being sold and that are really hot right now. And then I'll follow the next video to find the product and just put it on your store. Alright, that's it. That's all for this video. I hope you get a proper idea of how to use watchcount.com. and I'll see you in the next video.